When COVID hit, the chair of my department gave me the assignment to look for virtual simulations, a way to give the students opportunity to do lab since we can't do it in person. And so I came across Labster.
I would describe Labster as a virtual simulation of being in a lab. It's very informative. It gives you step-by-step on procedures, and it really gives you the basic knowledge you need to go into the lab and do hands-on work.
Click a button and you get to explore the Labster simulations and see how what you learn in the classroom relates to real-world applications.
It's not ordinary. It takes you to different settings time to time. You'll be in the lab, out in the wilderness, or I will go to the hospital, which really held my attention because it was interesting. And you'll retain more information that way.
Well, the storyline in the Labster simulation actually helps students think and wonder like, I never thought about it that way.
I feel like if you make learning fun, it would allow students to enjoy school more and really want to learn more and get more involved in it.
When they work in the lab, they do the lab in person and they don't see why is it important. They don't see the connection. And how does your topic that you learn in a lecture apply to your life and also in your future career?
Even though you're not hands-on, it still gives you that basic knowledge that you need to go into the lab.
After we started using Labster, we were able to see in our final course grade that it improved by 12.24% from a C- to a B.
It's always there, like you can always go back and redo the lab, even if you feel like you messed up or just want to do extra work with it.
In person, you can't repeat that because you only have a window of time to do it.
In the physical lab, if you mess up really bad, like there's really no coming back from it. But I love how I could mess up, learn from my mistake on Labster, and keep going.